ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿ ಆದಂಥ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಗೌಡ ಅವರ ಮನೆ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 3 BHK ವಿಲ್ಲ. ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಹಾಯ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಸೊ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ 2024 ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಮೇ ಆರ್ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಂತು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಬೈ ಫೇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಫೈನ್ ಡೇ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅನ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇನ್ Instagram I was able to find that there is a company called Woodpecker Interiors. And one more advantage for me was the person, the proprietor or the owner of this org completely was a Kannadiga, and he was someone as soon as I contacted him and ಅವರ ಸೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ he just gave me the brief about how things works there. And that is when things started. Lot of people used to come, take the measurements, plan things accordingly. More than anything, see, LRGO, like we will not have an idea. In that way, let it be from kitchen, hall, rooms, the Pooja room, everything, end to end, Mahesh was able to help me with everything. So that made me, and at last I got a design template also, PDFs, everything. So whatever was promised to me, same thing has been completed from Woodpecker Interiors. And the best part about my house, what I really, and the people who had been to my housewarming keep telling those things, which is amazing, is our living area and the false ceiling designs, as well as our wallpaper selections. Basically, that is something everybody is, and my parents and my entire family is happy about it. A big thanks to Mahesh, who has made things to, like, my dream to come true, because dream is, as a middle class family, everybody has their own dreams to have their own house, and this is how they look at for. And I think we have made it is possible only for, like, it's possible for us only because of him and his team. The coordination wise, Francis also and other team members who were part of the initial design and everything, everybody was helpful. So overall, it's a best experience. I would recommend Woodpecker Interior for everybody who's planning to construct their home, especially for middle class or whatever the class they are in. But please go out with them. They will make your dreams come true. Thank you.